یو ویډیو پرینټ کوم څه ویډیو ده the video is 15 and I want to divide it on 2 the division there it's division just go 15 video divided by so many 2 what will be the result
7
what will be the result
7.5.
what will be the result
7.5.
7 so by 7 there so by
7.5.
7.5 अगर सर उसको राउंड ऑफ करें तो 8
no round off next
7.5
only
7 or 7.5
only 7
okay so jaldi ki nahi dekhi these ke bata so the by default it will give you 7
Why?
why that's a good question why
yes
because 15 is integer value
फ्लॉट नहीं लगो जैसे 7
और दूसरा नाम integer value था integer divide show the result will be integer decimal division divided by integer decimal integer divided by decimal क्यों बल्कि decimal by decimal because one integer if both values are integer then the result will be what integer the value was once a 7 and it is called implicit typecasting. This will be implicit typecasting. Typecasting या conversion type conversion. The मखबल बांधे by force computer के. That's okay. Your system do this implicit typecasting. Integer by integer by instruction शुदा the implicit way की. One is explicit typecasting. Explicit was saying we do that. Programmers do that. Programmers. That's what the khpal zarurat mutabik. You need a value to change that to an integer. You need a value to change that from string to the integer. That's what zarurat hai us integer chile to the change ki. Float the change ki, float double the change ki. That you know, in programmers this is called explicit typecasting. Or the computer ka
implicit
integer by integer when you divide integer by integer, the result will be
integer
not flying. The young decimal should approach